So hey nerds, this is Suman and this is our today's integral, and this only contains the exponential factors, right? So the exponential is square root of exponential plus 3, and it always contains all exponentials. So we have to solve this. So in order to solve this, we have to substitute u is our square root of e raised to x minus 1, okay? So we get u square is e raised to x minus 1, and if I differentiate it, I get 2u du is e raised to x, and it is dx. And simply uh, in terms of dx, we can write dx is 2u du over e raised to x. So implies our e raised to x is u squared plus 1, right? So this much. So in terms of e raised to x, we can write u squared plus 1, this much term. So dx is our this much. So our integral is going to look like integral, and this is e raised to x is our u squared plus 1, and in terms of this much you have to write u, right, square root of this much, and in terms of dx you have to write 2u du over u squared plus 1, right? And in terms of exponential x, you have u squared plus 1, and this is 3, that makes u squared plus 4. So this term will cancel out, and you get I is integral to u squared du over u squared plus 4. So from here I can write I is 2 integral u squared plus 4, right, over u squared plus 4 du minus integral 4 du over u squared plus 4. So I had just added plus 4 here and minus 4 here, and I separated. So I get I is 2 integral du minus 4 integral 1 over u squared plus 2 squared du, and I get I is 2u minus 4 into 1 by 2 tan inverse u by 2 plus some constant c, and I is 2. And in terms of u, we have square root exponential x minus 1 minus 2 tan inverse square root exponential x minus 1 with some 2 and plus some constant c. So up to there, bye bye, and try to send your problems.